or scientifically known as Bos Gaurus kabaki, is the largest extant bovine, native to South Asia and Southeast Asia. Belong to family Vodidae, they usually called as seladang, with a lifespan up to 26 years. This massive creature inhabit hilly or mountain forest region. They are typically sighted on hill slope at the forest edge and are known to frequent salt lick. Herd size may be up to 50 individuals but typically much smaller. Both male and female are dark brown except for knee and lower part of leg, which is creamy white. Their horns may grow to a meter in length, thick and curved backward. For an adult, the male gaur can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms and above, while female can weigh up to 700 kilograms and above. This actually the same weight as Protua alza. Despite their large weight, they can run at speed up to 56 km per hour as fast as a horse.
I'm going to introduce you to the Sungkai Wildlife Conservation located here in Perak, Malaysia.
This center plays an important role in protecting and taking care of our native wildlife, especially Malayan tiger, deer, and other endangered animals. It was built to support animal conservation, research, and education.
At Sungkai, animals are given a safe place to live, grow, and sometimes even return to the wild. It also helps people learn more about the importance of protecting our environment and wildlife. Whether you are a student, tourist, or nature lover, Sungkai Wildlife Conservation Center is a great place to visit and learn.
Did you know that one of the largest cattle in the world, the Malayan cow, is disappearing?
They may look strong, but their numbers are dropping fast. In Malaysia, we had around 500 Malayan gaur in 2001, but just a few years later, barely only 300 remain.
So, what's really happening to them? Let's get to know about it.
First, their homes are being destroyed. Logging, urban growth, palm oil plantation. When forests are gone, gaur cannot find food, shelter, or even each other. And with road cutting through their habitat, guess what else becomes easier? Hunting.
Illegal hunting is a huge threat for them. People kill them for their meat and horn. Now, hunters don't even need to go deep into the jungle to get them.
Another issue are hybridization. When gaur breed with domestic cattle, their offspring are weaker. That means the original species become genetically diluted. And finally, disease. If they come near cows, they can catch infection that aren't immune to. One outbreak could be deadly for them.
They are strong, but even the strongest need protection. If we don't act now, the Malayan cow will be gone forever.
Hi, Ifa. I've been reading about the Malayan gaur, and it's really worrying to see how their numbers are declining. What kind of solutions are being proposed to prevent their extinction?
Hi David. Yes, it's definitely a serious issue, but there are several efforts we can take to help the Malayan gaur survive. First of all, we need to restore their natural habitats. Many forests have been damaged and fragmented, so reforestation and creating wildlife corridor can really help them to move freely and find mates.
That makes sense. So it's not just about saving individual animals, but about connecting their environments too?
Exactly. When their habitat is connected and safe, it supports a healthier population. Besides that, involving local communities is very important.
If people living near the forest understand the importance of conservation, they're more likely to protect these animals.
How can the communities get involved?
Through education, ecotourism, or community-based projects that provide income while promoting environmental awareness. It's about making conservation beneficial for everyone.
I see. What about poaching? Isn't that a big threat too?
Yes, absolutely. That's why we also need stronger enforcement of wildlife protection laws. Increasing anti-poaching patrols and using technology like drones and camera traps can help detect illegal activities early.
It sounds like a lot of work. Is this mostly the government's job?
It shouldn't be the government's responsibility alone. NGOs, wildlife center, researchers, everyone has a role. With collaboration and proper planning, we can give the Malayan gaur a real chance at survival.
Thanks, Ifa. That gives me a much clearer picture of what needs to be done. Let's hope these actions are taken seriously.
In Malaysia, it is classified as a vulnerable species by the IUCN and is fully protected under the Wildlife Conservation Act 2010. Today, the wild gaur population in Peninsular Malaysia is estimated to be around 500 individuals only. They are mainly found in protected areas such as Taman Negara, Royal Balaam, and Endau Rompin. The main dietary challenge is habitat loss due to deforestation and land conversion for palm oil plantations. A study in Ulu Lepar found that gaurs depend heavily on specific grasses and shrubs, which are disappearing as forest areas are disturbed. From a health perspective, gaurs are at risk of contracting zoonotic diseases from domestic cattle, such as bovine tuberculosis and foot and mouth disease. These diseases can cause significant mortality and contribute to population decline. Human disturbances such as illegal hunting, logging, and noise from machinery have caused gaurs to become more alert and wary. Naturally diurnal, active during the day, gaurs are now increasingly nocturnal to avoid human contact. This behavioral shift disrupts their natural breeding and migration patterns and also makes it more difficult for conservationists to monitor them.
So today we've learned about gaur. It's more than just a white animal. It's a symbol of strength, a symbol of balance in our ecosystem, and we are going to lose them if we stay silent. The truth is, their numbers are dropping, not because they give up, but because we did. Habitat loss, poaching, human ignorance are the cause of their extinction. But it doesn't have to end this way. You still have a chance, a choice. Support the conservation effort. You still have a chance to educate people, to save them. Their future is not just in the hand of experts, it's in ours. Right here, right now.